guys, welcome back, and today I'm making some orange honey glazed carrots. It's simple, it is easy, and it is so quick to make. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. So let's get started. I have 4 medium-sized carrots and I'm gonna peel them, cut them into 1/4 inch size. You can cut them to any size you so desire. Cut them like this. Over here I have 1 cup of orange juice, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and the zest from the orange. I have a pan over medium heat and I'm going to add the carrot along with the orange juice. Let this simmer until the liquid has reduced. Once it's reduced, check it, and once the carrots are fork tender, it's time to add the other ingredients. Now add the maple syrup, and at this time you can also use honey, or you can also use some brown sugar. Add the zest of the orange and just stir it gently. Now add the butter and let the butter melt in here, guys. Keep stirring, making sure that the carrots are all coated with the butter. Now it's time to add a little bit of salt for flavor, and also a pinch of black pepper. At this time, turn the heat off and stir gently. Once the carrots are all coated and nice, transfer it into a serving dish. And let it cool a little before serving. There you go. This is my honey orange glazed carrots, or you want to say your orange honey glazed carrots. Whichever way you prefer to say it, that's alright. Give it a try, guys. Enjoy, like, subscribe, and share my video. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you soon.